Hey guys, my beautiful sunflowers. It's Sunday, so I'm back at it again with another video. So yeah, if you like this hair look, then just keep on watching. So first things first, gotta get out the spray bottle. It's full of water right now, and my hair is dry, so I'm just gonna spray water all over my head to get it nice and wet. And by the way, y'all, I like my hair super soaked because it's very thick in the middle and dry. Okay, now that your hair is nice and wet, it's time for some leave-in conditioner. I'm taking the Maui Moisture leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff, you guys. It's bomb. I'm just gonna keep adding a lot to both sides. I like a lot of products, just so you guys know. And it keeps your hair soft and bouncy, so I'm just going to put in as much as my hair needs. Don't be alarmed, you guys. This is natural. My hair always sheds a little bit, so don't think your hair's falling out. It's been doing it all my life, and I still have a lot of hair. So yeah. Now it's time to use the Denman Brush. This brush right here. This brush, y'all. This brush is amazing, and it makes the curls pop. Trust me. This right here is the Miss Jessie Pillow Soft Curls. I love the way this stuff smells. This stuff smells so bomb, and it gives your hair pillow soft curls. And trust me, I'm not just reading the name of it, like it really does. Trust me, smell it. It smells so good. Make sure you get the product all up in your hair, and once it's all up in your hair, then you can take more and do the same thing to the other side. I'm gonna just be honest with you guys. My hair takes a lot of this stuff because it's very thick inside, so if your hair is very thin, you might only need a little bit. Now we're getting to the good stuff. This is my absolute favorite, the Camille Rose Curl Maker. I bought this at CVS, but you can order it online and get it at Target as well. If you have thick hair like mine, this is a must. I just started using this product a couple of months ago, and trust me, it's what I've been missing. Once you have all of the products in your hair, you can take your Denman brush and just pretty much go through each strand of hair or each section. And if you need some water, go ahead and spray some more water too, because I needed a little bit more because my hair was dry. It was drying that fast, so yeah. Take your water bottle and keep spraying, keep brushing, and do this process until you finish the whole head. Once you're done with the Denman brush, you're going to pull out the turbo towel. This towel you can get at like CVS or any other drugstore, and yeah, so basically I'm just about to scrunch. And this part can be kind of fun. You can make a little game out of it if you want, or it can be a little workout. And basically you're just gonna scrunch, scrunch, scrunch up until your hair is as scrunchy as you like it, or until your hair is slightly dry. I like to scrunch mine until it's like almost dry. Obviously it's not going to be completely dry because the inside, but yeah, I let the rest air dry. The scrunching alone can last about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the person, so yeah. If you want, you can also use your diffuser blow dryer. Most of the time I diffuse my hair, but when I don't have enough time, I just air dry. You can use a pick for this part, but I couldn't find my pick, so I'm just using this comb. Now I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Split End Balm. I bought this at Ulta or CVS, I can't remember which one, but I'm just going to put it on my ends. This stuff is good for protecting your split ends. You can honestly just use oil on your ends to protect them instead of spending more money if you want. But yeah, if you have the money, go ahead and buy it. If not, it's not needed. Speaking of oil, this is the last step. I use olive oil on my hair. I've tried using coconut oil and argan oil. Coconut oil leaves my hair frizzy. Argan oil is a little bit expensive, and olive oil is nice and cheap, and my hair loves it. So yeah, I only use a little bit because it will wear your hair down if you use too much. I also use it when my hair is still half wet, half dry, so that it can dry up pretty nicely. So yeah, my hair is done. I'm gonna go eat real quick and I'll be back. I'm back! So yeah, this is the finished look. My hair is still not completely dry, but I'm gonna go out, hopefully get some sun, and hopefully the sun will dry it a little bit. But yeah, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!